has to be the mother to not just Indians, to also minorities of its neighbors.
Okay, Owais Khan, how do you respond to that? You know, India has a history of letting in refugees from all over the world. You know, and it has never been a problem unless it has been raised by politicians to attack other politicians. Is this what we are doing right now?
The problem is that the BJP spokesperson is worried about what is happening in the Bangladesh, but she's not looking what is happening in Tripura first. And as far as opening the doors for the every other country of all the persecuted people of the other country, so I support the idea that it is not fair to opening the doors for every persecuted person of the other country. But we have a prescribed Citizenship Act in the country, and it has prescribed set of rules. If anybody wants the citizenship of the India, he can apply for the citizenship using that Citizenship Act and by following the formalities and the procedures. But problem is, this is not the problem. Every country is, if you look at the Canada or the US or the Australia, I mean, every country is giving the citizenship to the people who want to come to their country and by following the set rules and the procedures. But see, here is not the problem with the citizenship. The problem is BJP wants to, BJP is a party which is fully driven and run by the PR agencies. So they are always more interested in creating the perceptions and setting the narrative. They just want to set a narrative for the coming election with an ulterior motive. See, BJP, what these guys are doing, what BJP has to do, they first has to understand the very idea of the India. BJP has to understand the basic principle on which the foundation of this great nation is laid. But they do not want to see all these things because they seriously have the problem with the constitution of the country. They want to destroy the ethos, they want to destroy the culture, they want to destroy the secularism of this great nation. This is what they are doing since independence. They oppose the constitution, they oppose the tricolor, the national flag, and they are opposing
but Mr. Khan, will the BJP be the only party in this country who has tried to get votes on the basis of religion? Are you saying that?
I think Mr. Khan is only indulging in double-speak today. Everything he says is double-speak. Let's talk about how you're campaigning in Uttar Pradesh first, Mr. Khan. Do you want to talk about how Mrs. Vadra is campaigning?
It's the agenda of the